like to be born as a gender but dominating in a sport different gender. Like say someone from a girl wanted to go play football and play football all the time, got ran over or something. And then so the people who go through this are born just like us but decide to change their bodies later on in life, as in like body features. And transgender athletes is a participation of transgender or transsexual individuals in competitive sports, and it is an issue that many people still don't agree with. I myself have competed with women athletes on the track, but it's because they had to save time and put boys and girls together, and like you can notice the difference in like girls and boys how they perform, as in like form and speed. And so during my speech, I will explain to you how transgender athletes can use their natural ability, body shape, and testosterone as an advantage. And, here's a picture of a transgender athlete, Caster Semenya, in South Africa, middle distance runner and 2016 Olympic gold medalist. Semenya won gold in the women's 800 meters at the 2009 World Championship with a time of 1 hour, 1 minute and 55 seconds. And at the 2017 World Championships in her new personal best, 1 minute and 55 seconds. 2016, Semenya also won the silver medal at the 2011 World Championships in the 800 meter. She was the winner of the gold medal in the 800 meter events at the 2012 Summer Olympics and 2016 Summer Olympics following her victory at the 2009 World Championships. It was announced that she had been subjected to gender testing. She was withdrawn from the international competition until July 6, 2010, when IAAF cleared her to return to competition. Most people think that biological males have an unfair advantage in sports against biological females. It is argued that athletes who transition to a woman after puberty will have a greater muscle to fat ratio compared to female athletes. Before girls and boys in puberty, their bodies are fairly similar during puberty. However, boys experience a surge of testosterone. By adulthood, some men have up to 20 times more testosterone than women do, according to Evelyn. Testosterone plays several roles, including telling the body to create new blood cells, keeping bones and muscles strong, and prompting growth spurts. A man's leg is about 80% muscle compared with about 60% muscle in a woman's leg. That extra muscle can help men run faster. Also, men's muscles tend to have larger, fast-twitch muscle fibers, which help the sprinting. And if you think about it, you always hear about a man wanting to compete in a woman's sport and then dominating in their sport. You never really hear about a woman coming to a man's sport and dominating in their sport. So, the use of estrogen supplements and testosterone blockers cause a decrease in muscle mass, bone density, and oxygen-carrying red blood cells. Estrogen supplements lead to a decrease in strength, speed, and endurance. And in some states, they make transgender athletes use estrogen supplements so it can be more fair in the women and men competition. It would be like more even. The greater height that a transgender woman may have gained before transitioning may be an advantage on a basketball court, but a disadvantage to a gymnast. In 2016, the International Olympic Committee ruled that transgender athletes can compete in the Olympics without undergoing sex reassignment surgery. Here go a video. they talked about it on the news, and some people disagree.
Tonight we explore the topic of transgender athletes in high school sports. It's a difficult balance between the rights of transgender individuals to compete and the rights of others to compete on an equal playing field. Here's correspondent Jackie Heinrich.
High school runners are going toe-to-toe this weekend at the New England Regional Championships in Boston, a chance to get in front of college coaches and maybe even earn a scholarship. But Connecticut junior Selena Soule won't be competing in the 55-meter dash. She was edged out of the top 6 spots in part by 2 transgender runners, Andrea Yearwood and Terry Miller, both male at birth, now identifying as female. Terry set a girls' state indoor record. Andrea came in second.
It's frustrating and in a way demoralizing when you're at the start line of a race and you know what the outcome of the race is before it even happens.
Medical physicist Joanna Harper, who's also a transgender runner, says high school athletes like Selena can face unfair competition from trans girls. It comes down to whether trans athletes have undergone hormone therapy.
Before these athletes get on hormones, then they have all of the athletic capabilities of men.
But high school athletics aren't governed by a single set of rules, making regional competitions a gray area. According to transathlete.com, Connecticut is one of 18 states that allow transgender athletes to compete without restrictions. 17 states review individuals case by case, and 9 states require surgery or hormone treatment. 6 states have no policy at all. Part of the challenge is age. College students and Olympians must undergo a year of hormone therapy to compete as trans athletes. But most teens don't begin hormone therapy until after puberty. Civil rights are also a concern. Hudson Taylor is the founder of Athlete Ally, a nonprofit LGBTQ athletic advocacy group.
Any pathway that separates or divides or segregates trans athletes into a different category is separate and is not equal and is not fair.
Advocates say rules for pro athletes are one thing, but a lot of high schoolers join teams to have fun, and transgender teens shouldn't be denied those same positive experiences. Shannon.
All right, Jackie, thank you very much.
Alright, so as you can see, in some states you don't even gotta take supplements. They'll just allow you to run if you want to be the other gender. Here's another thought. I guess it was a Mac Bay. He was he won the girls wrestling title. He was a boy. And many people agree that transgender athletes should compete with the gender they are born as. Changing your appearance to compete with another gender is basically another form of cheating, because these people are working less harder than the ones who actually train their whole life to perform and look their best and to be the best. Imagine how hard it would be to put blood, sweat, and tears into something and then to have it snatched away from you like that. That is what athletes feel is happening when they are competing with transgender athletes. I believe that if you work harder than anyone else around you, then you will stand out either way. Thank you for listening.